Hi, kids. Hi, parents. Guess what? The Poofy dance party's coming up next.
Poofy dance party.
See you there.
Poofy dance party?
Yippee-yo-yo. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, Red.
It's awesome.
Let's start the show.
Yeah, can't wait. Poofy dance party. Yeah.
Hi there, I'm Poofy. Hey you, he's blue. Hey you, he's red. He's red. Let's go. Welcome to our show. Yay, it's Poofy Toys. That was so much fun. Yippee-yo-yo. Come on, let's go.
Yeah. Come on.
Hi, kids, and welcome to Poofy Toys. Do you know what today is? Huh? Do you know what today is? No, it's not ice cream day. You're so silly. No, today is Magical Toy Flyer Day. Yay! Are you guys excited, Blue and Red?
Yeah.
I hope so.
So excited. Can't wait.
And you know that we love magical toys, and I know you guys do too. Oh boy. What's that?
That's your delivery for
It's the doorbell. Awesome. Guess what, guys? It's our magical flyer. Yay! Oh boy, is that my magical flyer?
Yeah.
Alrighty then. Yes! I'm so excited to have it.
so
Thank you so
excited.
much. Take care. Bye. Say bye, Blue.
Bye.
Bye, Red.
Bye.
Oh boy. Oh boy, kids. Look what we got. We got our magical flyer. It's here. Yippee-yo-yo. All right, guys. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's go and open it and see what today's magical toy is. It's going to be so exciting. Are you guys excited, Blue and Red?
I can't wait.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yippee, oh yeah.
Come on, Blue. Come on, Red. Come on, Poofy Kids. Let's go. Whoa, kids. Poofy Kids, we got our magical flyer, and it's here. It's super cool. Wow, I love our magical flyer. Whoa, let's see what today's toy is. Whoa, guys, look at it. Super cool. Look at all the colors. Wow, it's Vtech's Ring and Learn cash register. Super cool, guys. Wow, look at the cool little fishy there. It's blue. Wow, and the basket. Whoa, you can put all your groceries in there. I love grocery shopping, guys. Yummy, yummy food. All right, guys, but right now, this is just paper, and we gotta make it real. Okay, so here's the instructions, Poofy Kids. Okay, to make the Vtech Ring and Learn cash register real, you must connect all the stars below with Poofy's magical marker. Oh boy, this is so fun, guys. Okay, let me get my magical marker. Whoa, here it is. But of course, kids, I don't know what color it is, because it's just white right now. So, can you guys help me at home and tell me what color you think this is?
It's red. It's red. Red.
I think it might be blue. That's my guess. What's your guess, kids?
It's red. It's red.
Okay,
Red.
here we go. Oh, yes, it is blue. What a good guess, Poofy. Why, thank you. Wow, kids. I hope your guess was blue too. If not, it's okay, because we'll keep trying, because we make fun videos like this all the time. Okay, guys, so we gotta connect all the stars below here and go all the way around until it makes it real. Okay, guys. All right, so let's put our magical marker to to work. Let's go, guys. Whoa, here we go. Oh my, something's happening, Poofy Kids. Something's happening. Something's happening. Whoa, super cool, guys. Wow. The Vtech Ring and Learn cash register is real. We did it together, guys. Good job, kids at home. Wow, look at it. Super cool. And look at all the cool colors. Whoa, that is so cool, right, blue and red? Wow, super cool. Wow, look at it. Wow, I can't wait to play with this, guys. What do you guys think? You want to play with it? All right. Whoa, look over here, guys. There's a basket full of groceries. Super cool. Wow. What's inside of it? All right, I'm going to place it right here and take it out one at a time. Whoa, look, kids. We have milk. Wow.
Milk. Milk.
Yeah, super cool milk. Milk is so yummy for you. And it has calcium and it makes you grow really big. Super cool. Drink lots of milk, kids. All right, I'm gonna put this over here because we're gonna buy it. All right, let's see what else is in here. Super cool. Whoa, a little fishy. Whoa, super cool. Fish is healthy for you, guys. Wow, it's good for your brain. Has lots of omega fatty acids. That's really good for your brain. Wow, it makes your brain really big and smart. Like the Poofy Kids. Yeah. Wow.
Fish. Fish.
Fishy.
I like that. One fish for us. Whoa, let's see what else is in here. Look at this cool green fruit. Wow. Super cool, guys. It's a pear.
Pear. Pear.
Yeah, a pear. Super cool. Wow. And let's see what else is here, guys. A banana. Whoa, look at the color of this banana. Super cool, kids. Wow, yummy bananas. Wow.
Banana. Banana.
Banana.
Wow, that is a yellow banana. And that's super cool. I love bananas. Wow. Look at this. Wow, lots of groceries, guys. Wow, what do you think this is, kids? Whoa. Do you know? It looks like a carrot. It is a carrot. Wow, look at the colors. Orange and green. Wow, that's so cool. Yum, 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 yum.
Carrot. Carrot.
Yeah, carrot.
Wow, I'm gonna place this over here. Let's continue, kids. Wow, look at this, a juice box. So whenever you're thirsty, you just shake it up.
Yeah, orange
Super
juice.
cool. Wow, and that box is orange. Whoa, super cool, guys. Wow, orange juice. Whoa, this is super cool too. It's brown. And I think it's bread. Wow, that's a loaf of bread. Super cool. Wow, kids. Let's taste it. Tasty.
Bread. Bread.
Wow. And what else do we got here? Wow, what do you think this is, kids?
Yeah, I know.
It's an apple. Yeah.
Good job, kids.
Apple. Apple.
And that color is red. Super cool. Whoa.
Whoa, what is
Guys,
that?
did you see that? Did you see that?
Yeah.
What was that?
Yeah. What was that?
I think that was a tiger.
Tiger.
Whoa. What's a tiger doing here, guys?
I know.
Huh, blue and red? Whoa, that's strange. But you know what? We've seen loose animals
Scary.
before, so I think he ran away from the zoo. What do you think, blue and red?
Yeah. It escaped from the zoo.
Yeah, it definitely ran away from the zoo. Whoa. Okay, kids. Let's get back to our show. Wow, look at this. Yummy. A whole chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Whoa, chicken is
Yummy.
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 Unless you're a vegetarian. Wow.
Chicken. Chicken.
Super
Yeah,
cool.
chicken.
Wow, chicken. Whoa, look at this. Yummy,
Yeah,
yummy
grapes.
grapes. Wow. Wow. What color do you think the grapes are?
Yeah, I know.
That's right. It's purple. Wow, yummy grapes. Super cool.
Good job,
I
kids.
love grapes. All right, kids. Wow, look at all of these. All the food. All in my tummy. But we gotta pay for it first, kids. So let's see what this cash register can do. Whoa, super cool. So it says open. Whoa. Let's see what's over there, guys. There's an
What's on
open
your
button.
shopping list?
Lots of stuff.
Basket with fruits and veggies, bread, meat, and dairy.
Yeah, bread, meat, and dairy.
Shopping.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff, Vtech. Whoa, all right. So guys, before we put it in our empty basket, we gotta punch it into the cash register and
Do you want to buy?
yeah,
Button.
yeah, we gotta press a button and stuff. Okay, so let's press it according to what it is. Okay, so here is the bread.
Can you put some food into the basket?
I will. Here we go, bread.
Bread.
Here we go. What do you think this is, guys? That's right, grapes.
Yeah, grapes.
All right. What do you think this one is? Whoa, that's slippery. Whoa, what do you think this one is, guys? Yeah, it's chicken.
What do you want to buy?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Whoa. Okay. Yummy, yummy, yummy orange juice. All right, let's press its button. Orange juice.
Do you want to
Right
buy?
there.
Orange juice.
Yeah, orange juice.
All right. And this one here, what is this one, guys?
Yeah, I know.
Apple, that's right. All right, let's press the button.
What do you want to buy? Press apple.
Yeah, that's right. Apple, kids. Good job, kids. What is this one? It's a pear, that's right.
What do you want to buy?
Okay,
Press the button.
1 second. Here we go.
Pear.
A pear. Good job, kids at home.
Good job, kids.
Let's continue. And this guy here, do you remember what it is? A carrot.
What do you want to buy? Press the button.
That's right, carrot. All right, let's see, carrot.
Carrot. Yeah, carrot.
Wow. Put it in the basket. Now, what is this one, guys? That's right, banana.
What do you want to buy?
We want to buy a banana. Push the button.
Bananas.
Yeah. All right. What is this one, kids? Oh, that one's easy. That's a fishy.
Yeah.
All right.
What do you want to buy?
A fishy.
Button.
Okay.
Fish.
Whoa. All right. Super cool, guys. Whoa. Hey, Hey, Police Officer Dan.
Police Officer
How are you? How are you, Poofy?
What do you want to buy? Press a button.
Whoa, what was that, Poofy? Yeah, that's our Vtech Ring and Learn cash register. It's super cool. Yeah, we're just playing with it. Whoa, super cool. I do like
Police
that one.
Officer Dan.
Whoa,
Hey,
but you know what? We gotta find this runaway tiger. Have you seen it? Yeah,
Tiger.
Blue and Red and I, we're playing with this cash register and the kids at home, and we did see it. It just popped up. It was
Scary.
kind of scary because it was a tiger, and tigers are kind of scary when they're loose.
Scary.
And
Yeah.
I think I do know where they went. I mean, I hope there's not more than one, but I think I know which way it went. Okay, well, which way did it go? That way. Yeah.
Scary.
Well, thank you so much, Poofy. You're very helpful. You've always been helpful. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you, Blue and Red, and thank you, Poofy Kids. All right, I gotta go catch this tiger now. You guys take care. And whoa, I love that cash register, by the way. You guys are making me super hungry. Yeah, well, you know what? Maybe I'll pop in later on. Once I catch this tiger. I don't know, but we'll
like
see.
your ride's calling
All right, take care, guys. Thanks. Bye. Bye. Bye, Police Officer Dan. Whoa, kids. I really hope that he catches that tiger, because we can't have
way,
loose
no
tigers,
way.
because they'll just run
way.
amok, and they'll cause traffic accidents, and they might even hurt people, and that's not good. Right,
No
Blue
way.
and Red?
No way. No
That's
way.
not good.
No. Tigers.
Yeah, so let's continue where we left off. Well, the last one over here from our shopping list is, what's this, kids?
Yeah, I know.
Milk! That's right, milk!
Shopping list.
Good job, kids.
Okay, let's see.
Basket with fruits and veggies.
Yay!
Red meat and dairy.
Cool song.
Shopping.
All right. So milk, guys. Moo. What sound does a cow make?
Moo.
That's right. Moo. All right.
What do you want to buy?
Well,
Button.
we want to buy milk. That's our last thing on the shopping list. Okay. Milk.
Milk.
All right. Super cool, guys. Whoa.
Yeah, milk.
I love this milk. I can't wait to drink it. All right. I'm going to place it over here. All right, guys. So
What do you want to buy? Press a button.
we got to pay for it now, guys. Okay. Here's our credit card, our Vtech credit card. Super cool. Wow.
You put some food into the basket.
I did already. Let's see if we can pay. Whoa, that's slippery.
Slippery.
Payment accepted.
Yay! Let's see what else you can do.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
You can count on me.
Yeah.
I'll help you learn to count today.
Counting, guys. Super cool.
What's cool?
Wow, let's press this
Go
button.
shopping. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
Good job, kids. Yeah.
6,
6,
7,
7, 8, 8,
9,
9. Unfortunately, kids, there's no 10. So we gotta press 1
1,
and 0.
0.
Yeah.
Makes 10.
Good job, kids.
Wow, this thing is super cool. What happens if we roll this thing? Wow, she's so cute.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. You can count on me.
Cool.
I'll help you learn to
Yeah.
count today.
Wow, what else can it do? Whoa. Whoa, spin it again. Whoa, look, the bear's drinking milk. Super cool. You know that bear's gonna get big. Whoa, milk again. Look, bananas. Super cool. Fishies. Wow. There's milk again. Let's see what's on this side. Bread?
Again. Spin it again.
Whoa. She has fruits.
3, 4, 5,
Woo.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9.
9. Wow. This super Vtech Ring and Learn cash register's awesome. Wow.
Cool.
You can count on me. I'll help you learn to count today.
Wow. It's been so fun playing with you. This is super cool. Wow.
Cool.
Look at a couple colors, guys. Wow. This is red.
Yeah.
Red. Wow.
Yeah.
And this one here is green, the scale. Wow. Thanks for shopping.
Yeah.
Thanks for shopping. Wow. And here the cash registers, yellow. Wow. And right here, super cool, is orange. That's where all the money goes. Wow. That's green. Wow. And that's purple. Wow. And up here is red. Super cool. Wow, I love colors, guys. And I know you Poofy kids do too. Super cool, right, guys? But unfortunately, we gotta take our groceries home before they go bad. So, our playtime's over. We gotta go now.
No.
What?
No way.
Blue and red,
No
you
way.
don't wanna go. Why?
Poofy dance party.
Poofy dance party? Do you kids at home want to do the Poofy dance
let's
party
go.
too?
Yeah.
I certainly do. Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
Poofy
let's go.
dance party,
Yeah,
here we
yeah.
come.
Yeah.
Poofy dance party.
Yippee-yo-yo!
Hi kids, it's Poofy, and who's ready for the Poofy dance party? I am. I hope you are, 'cause here we go. Say hi, I'm Poofy. Hi, I'm Poofy. Say hi, I'm Blue. Hi, I'm Blue. Say hi, I'm Poofy. Hi, I'm Poofy. Say hi, I'm Red. Hi, I'm Red. Now wiggle and jump. Wiggle and jump. Jump and wiggle. Jump and wiggle. Now wiggle and jump. Wiggle and jump. Jump and wiggle. Jump and wiggle. I'm having so much fun with this Poofy dance party. I never want it to end. But unfortunately, we gotta go. See you guys on the next Poofy Toy video. Take care. Bye.
Poofy Toys! Magical learning fun! That was fun! Hey parents! If your little guy is not a Poofy kid yet, then why not subscribe? Poofy kids are smart, happy, and love playing with magical toys. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe today! Take care! Bye! Yippee-yo-yo! Simply click this button over here to subscribe.
Hey, have you subscribed yet? Have you hit that red button? It's right down there. Subscribe, okay? I'm waiting.
Hi there.
Actually, I can't wait. I gotta catch this runaway zebra. All right, adios. Take care. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.
Boink. Boink.
Hoppa,